Hello everyone, this is Phoebe Tonosaki. Today I'm going to share with you a part of a mega project using the new collection from Graphic 45 is Life is Abandoned, and it is something I wanted to make for a long time, but so this is the perfect collection for myself to create this. So this is a bag that I can put lots of items inside, like the old collections I made before, and album using other collections from Graphic 45. This video I'm going to show you how to decorate the side of the bag and then a little bit on the top of the whole bag. I hope you enjoy it. So we are going to decorate the left hand side of the bag here. I am going to put something like here, which is to insert something so that when the bag is supposed to like going outside into the woods to take samples of flowers or seeds, so it will be handy to have something to put inside the bag but not too bulky. Okay, so the whole pieces is made with three pieces. The size is here, and then I glue them together. So this is the cardboard I am always using, so it has a little bit teeth, not too hard, able to fold, and quite sturdy when you put in the design paper. So I cut around the corners, and then I'm going to put in the design paper. So this area will be attached to the side of the bag, so we don't need design paper here. So this is the version with the design paper on the top, and then I kind of insert 6 of the eyelets on this area. So remember, when you put in the eyelet, leave some area in between the paper and the eyelet. So just like this one, I didn't put it all in, so it has some spaces so that I can use electric band on to create a net like this. So if you push it too far to attach to the paper, you won't be able to do that. So I just randomly push it. make a net. And then on this four corner, I am going to give it double twist to secure. Like this. And so you will be able to put in small pockets like this. This is a perfect match, like this. I'm going to decorate the front a little bit and then put in a crochet here before we glue it on the back. So I have add the decoration and then eyelets, and then this is the ribbon from the set here. The color is very basic and easy to match, so I am making a butterfly tie on the top and then push it through here, so it will be like this. And then I am just going to cut it roughly here so that it will go like this. And then when you knit it close, you can just push it here. And then this part I am going to glue it on the side of the bag like this. And because this is the handle here, so I am going to leave the top part without glue. This. So it will need a little bit some time for the glue to settle. Meanwhile, just press it. Or you could use some washi tape to press it so that it stays here attached. But not a big problem, just some execution skills. So we will be back with a little bit another tips. So the last step is to create something to decorate on the cover of the bag, roughly something like this. From the top is like this, and let's move the bag a little bit. So it should be something like on here, right? So the items I use is basically a thin strip made by cardstock, and this is the actually cardboard, thin cardboard, and then I use eyelets on it. And this is 1/2 inch wide, and this is 3/4 inch wide, the width. So width. So you can decide how you want to do it. So I already make two, which is by using a circle punch, and then I just punch cardstock a few times and then stick them together to have some thickness. I don't want it to be too thick because it's going to put on the surface of the lid of the bag, so just a little bit something to have the tooth to hold on to the elements is enough. So I will make 2 with the circles. So I think maybe I could use something like this. This is the devil first for cutting out decorations, and then just make it into a thin strip. So we have a little bit of thickness here. I'm just going to cut the end into just like a tack or something. Then we will be adding some elements on it. You can use other collections, which is this is another earlier collection of Graphic 45. This is beautiful, and I think it fit the whole atmosphere perfectly. And if you want a little bit, maybe you can cut just to add elements. Remember, we want the elements small because this is a small scale. Right. If you need a little bit of dimension, just use a double-sided tape. So I remember I have something in red. This is a ladybug. So it will be like this. So I am going to attach to here. So I will just punch a hole here, and then use a safety pin. This is mini size, very cute. Add to here. Like this. So if you think one of them 3 is too much, maybe we can remove this one and put it on the other area of the bag. Ish. Okay. Right now we will be putting it here. Okay, so in theory you can use isolate or punch a hole, but then you will have something on the back, and I don't want it, so I am simply using glue here. Glue is a girl's best friend. I'm just going to glue the both sides because this you have to be able to move it on the far end. So it obviously will need some time to settle. And I am adding 2 of this hardware on the side so that it looks professional. Don't worry about glue. You can always use a brush to cover it later on. So this is the tiny tips I want to show you for this project. I hope you like it because this is a lot of fun projects. I recommend you go ahead to the top of this video, beginning of this video, and look at this bag again. Thank you so much. Bye bye.